Let's go ahead and solve the SAT problem. So we have in the xy plane, there's a line has 2 points, 2k and k32. It passes through the origin. Okay, so let's quickly draw a drawing. So here is my origin 0, 0. So let's just write 0, 0. And then there are 2 points, 2k. So let's just say this point right here is our 2k point. So 2k. And then we have, let's just say, another point here, which is k32. So that's k, that's 32. So the idea is that basically there is a line that is passing through all of these points and has the same slope m, right? So what we can do now is, let me just go ahead and write this point here real quick, k32. So our slope formula, if you remember, is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So if we call this point, the origin point, as x1, y1 throughout, then we have two other points which will have the same slope with the origin point. Okay, so let's just call this x2, y2 and set up a slope with these 2 points first. So we have y2 minus y1 is k minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1 is 2 minus 0. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and call these points as my x2 and y2 because this point and this point should also have the same slope. So if I call this x2, y2 now, so y2 minus y1 is going to be 32 minus 0 divided by x2 is k minus 0. So all I did was I took each of these points and with the origin I wrote the slopes down, and they have to be equal because it's the same straight line, right? All right, let's go and solve this. Let's clean this up. K divided by 2 equals 32 divided by k. That's what we have right now. Let's go ahead and cross multiply here. So we have 32 times 2 is 64, and we have k times k is k squared equals 64. Take square root on both sides. If we do that, we get k equals plus minus 8. Okay, but if you look at the answer choices, the only choice that's available is the positive 8, and the negative 8 is not available as a choice. So that is our final answer. Okay, so let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you have any different way of solving this, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you in the next video. All right, bye bye.